So you can also do more with your data than just perform calculations. You can also use it to sort data. So for instance, I have some sample data in here, just 5 pieces of text, and I could sort this and put it in alphabetical order if I wanted. I could do that one of many ways. One way is here in the column header here, if I click the little menu button, I could see sort options. So I've got sort ascending, sort descending. So ascending would give me alphabetical order, whereas descending would give me reverse alphabetical order. Now I could also go over to the Organize sidebar here, click on that, and one of the options here is Sort. And I can set up a sort to sort by a certain column. So I'll sort by column B, and you can see it changes it here to sort, and there is ascending or descending. Now notice a few things here. One is if I were to update this. So let me go and add another cell to this. Notice it doesn't automatically sort. So I've got apple here at the start, apple here at the beginning. Naturally, if it was going to be sorted alphabetically, the two apples would be next to each other. I have to hit the Sort Now button, or if I'm not using the sidebar, I have to actually select Sort Ascending again. I can do Sort Now. You can see it resorts the column. Now what happens if there are more than one cell's worth of data in each row, which normally there would be? So let's say there are numbers here. So now I've got these numbers. If I were to go ahead and sort, the numbers would stay with them. So notice how banana is a 6 and orange is a 1. So if I were to change the sort to descending, you can see it sorts it, and banana is still 6 and orange is still 1. All of the numbers stay with it. So sorting a table means that all the data in a row stays together. So even though we're sorting only by column B, column C goes along with it. Whatever's next to each cell across the row will stay next to it as you sort. You can also sort by more than one column. So for instance, we have 2 apples here, an apple with a 5 and an apple with a 3. I can add a column and say let's also sort by C ascending. So here it's going to sort column B descending, so it starts with the last one in the alphabet. It goes down. The 2 apples are there, but they are sorted ascending. Normally both would be ascending, right? So here everything's in alphabetical order, but after being in alphabetical order they're going to be in numerical order according to what's in column C. So it's sorting according to 2 different criteria here. If I had an whole bunch of apples, and I'll copy and paste, and I give these different numbers. Now when I sort, I'll hit Sort Now. You could see the apples are first because alphabetically they're first, and column B is our primary sort. Column C is our secondary sort, and it's ascending. So all of the numbers here are in order 1 through 9. So it's keeping all of the rows together, but it's sorting using the criteria of 2 different columns. So sorting is really powerful, and you could see how it's easy to do and to sort and resort, and it's common when using spreadsheets and tables to constantly be sorting your data so you can view it in different ways.